we are thrilled to recognize 2,067 candidates for graduation.
It's on days like today that we get a full and complete picture and realize the magnitude of such an accomplishment.
As we go about life, we all want the recognition. You want the medals, you want to be on top. But it's not always about the medals. It's about the journey. It's about overcoming obstacles that come your way, having the heart to persevere through them and to come out better on the other side.
To be better tomorrow than what today we might consider to be our very best. This is what has gotten us here. Sometimes you've got to leap and grow your wings on the way down.
The beauty in life is that we all have the power to choose our own stories, to write the book as we go. You can't go backwards and rewrite the past. You can only go forwards and impact the story from today. In this moment, you can choose how you do that. So choose yours wisely and be proud of the path that you're taking.
We honor you. Thank you for enriching our lives. Go out and enrich others.